everyone. So in this video, let's see how we can crack the password of Windows 10 laptop. So it is surprisingly easy to hack a password on Windows. So here we'll demonstrate how we can grab the password. So how we can specifically grab the password pass. Uh, so every password will be stored in a hash format in the Windows laptop. So we'll basically try to crack it. So we'll reveal the password with a tool called as Impact SecretStump. So once we have the hash, we can use a password cracking tool like Hashcat in Kali Linux to crack the password. So first, let's imagine a scenario that uh, you are trying to crack the password of your Windows laptop of your friends. So he has gone for a tea break or he has gone for a break of 10 minutes. So he forgot to lock the laptop. So like most modern systems, your Windows stores the password inside hashing algorithm. So it uses MD4 hashing algorithm. So basically we need the hash. So even though we won't be able to immediately tell the password, we can crack it later. So basically I need to grab the SAM and system file from the target system. So here, let me just search for regedit. So here in registered editor, we'll have all the passwords in the hash. So let me just open this. Let me just open this reg editor, registered information in administrator mode. Yeah. So here we're looking for this. mm, Yeah, HKey local machine. So we are interested in this SAM file and system file. So let's grab these two. Let me just use a pen drive. So let me just connect it to my Windows virtual machine. Let me go ahead and open command prompt. Let me create a new folder. Let's say password. So I'll just copy these two files here. So let me just open a command prompt in administrator mode. Yeah. So basically, let's try to save this salmon system file. So I'll just say reg save hklm /sam.save. Let me give the name as sam.save. So I need to get the sam file dot slash sam dot save it as sam.save and enter. So again, let me just save the system file. System.save. Save yes. Okay, so we basically have these two files. So let me just copy this into my pen drive. Let me just search for SAM. So this is my sam.save file. Let me just copy and paste it in my password folder. So we got the SAM file. And let's also do the same thing for the system file. System.save. So once we have this salmon system file, that's all we need to basically to crack the password of this laptop. Yeah, let me just close everything. And for now, let me just pause this virtual machine. So we have our SAM file and system file. Let us go back to the Kali machine. Let's crack the password. So let's extract the hash and we'll try to crack the password. Okay, let me just copy the SAM and the system file into my Kali machine. Insert in the pen drive, connecting it to Kali machine. Yeah. So here we have this password file. Let me copy this and paste it in my desktop. So we got the passwords file. So now let's see the content of this. So we have our SAM and system file. So the first thing is we need to extract the hash. So to extract the password, or first we need to extract the hash, we'll use a tool called as Impact SecretStump. So let me just open a terminal here in this folder. So let me just say Impact SecretStump. Uh, Impacket, sorry. Impacket SecretStump. So basically, to extract the file, I need to pass the both SAM file, which is present in sam.save. I also need to pass the system file, which is present in system.save. So yeah, so using these two files, let me just save it to the local. So this is where Windows stores the NTLM hashes. So NLTM hashes are stored in the Secured Account Manager SAM database of a Windows computer. So the SAM database is a critical component of the Windows. Uh, let's say this. I should have SAM and system. Let me just try running this again. So impact SecretStump, Impacket SecretStump, sam.save, system.save. Yeah, we have a spelling mistake. This Sam. That's all. Let's run it again. Yeah, so basically this is done. So here we got the hashes for the administrator ID, guest ID, guest user, administrator user, as well as the datamites user. So this is what we're interested in. And the corresponding hash is this. So this is the hash of our password. So let me just copy this. Let's create a text file. Let's say nano hashes.txt. So just a normal text file. Let me just paste the hash content in this text file, save it. So here I have the hash content. So now let's try to crack the password using a dictionary attack. So basically we'll try to generate thousands of passwords based on some information regarding the user. So for that, I'll be using a tool called as cup. Uh, yeah, let's install it. Let's wait for a second. So first thing, we got the hash. Now we need to just crack the password using a dictionary attack. So we know some information, some keywords regarding the target. So we'll try to generate uh, a bunch of passwords and try to get the hash. So let's say the first name. So the first name of that person is let's say Kevin. Surname is I'm not sure. Nickname data. Birth date I don't know. Partner's name not married. Uh, no child's name. Pet's name he has a pet called as Oreo. Company name he works at Datamites. So it's asking, do you want to add some keywords about the victim? Yes, why not? So he loves to work with data and he works at Datamites. So he's basically ML engineer. That should be sufficient. Do you want to add special characters at the end of the words? Yes. Do you want to add some random numbers at the end of the words? Why not? Lead mode, let it be the same thing. Yeah, so now we got a text file called as kevin.txt, which contains 6,154 words. So now we need to crack the password. So if you just go into this text file, you'll see all the different combinations of password according to the keywords we have given. So I'll just say sudo. So the tool I'll be using is Hashcat. Uh, so hyphen m, pass 1,000 words at a time on the possible uh, password is present in kevin.txt and our hash is present in hashes.txt, and we need to pass kevin.txt file also. Hit on enter. So your hashcat basically okay, there is some problem with the hash file. So I'll just say nano hashes dot sorry cat hashes dot txt. Mm, let me cross check it once. The hash, yeah, this is basically the hash, not that. We copy this again. So the hash, password hash for the user data mites is this, the last octet. So let me create another file. I'll just say nano hashes.txt, or let me just edit right here. Control S, Control X. Let's try to pass it again. So hashcat is starting. So it's initializing the backend runtime. So let's be patient. So now what this hashcat is doing is for every possible combination we have generated, it's trying to use the same algorithm, same hashing algorithm to generate the hash. If both the hash content is matched, then that is our password. Let's wait. Still running. So we had 6,000 odd words, right? So this might take a while. Yeah, so the hashcat has gone through all the different combinations. And here you can see, so this was our hash, right? And the corresponding password for that hash is data mites dollar percentile. So it is cracked. So let's try to use this password, data mites dollar percentile. Let's see if it is working. Let me just pause this Kali machine. Let me just go to the Windows machine, resume it. Lock it. One second. So it is locked. So let's try to give the same password. Data mites dollar percentile. So this was the password. We got it from the Hashcat password cracking tool. Hit on enter. Yeah, so there you go. The password has been cracked. So that's all for this video. Thank you, everyone.